Understanding your current mindset. Did you know your mindset acts like a filter for your life? It shapes every decision, reaction, and goal you aim for. Are you fixed on limitations, or do you embrace growth? Identifying this is the key to unlocking your true potential. Your actions are a reflection of your inner beliefs. If you think you can't, you might never try. But if you believe in growth, every obstacle becomes an opportunity. Take a moment to assess. Are your daily choices aligned with the life you want to build? Pause and ask yourself, what's holding me back? Be honest with the story you tell yourself daily. Real growth starts only when you acknowledge the limiting beliefs keeping you stuck. Self-awareness is not a weakness. It's your strongest weapon against complacency. Imagine taking control of your thoughts and choosing growth. Start small. Affirm your ability to improve, even on tough days. With consistency, shifts in your mindset will reflect in your results. Remember, the greatest transformations start with one decision: to think differently. Your next breakthrough is waiting. Assess your mindset with courage and clarity. Don't let limiting beliefs dictate your story. Start today by reflecting on one action that brings you closer to your best self. Share your thoughts in the comments, because your journey inspires others too.